Welcome back, everyone. Let's see some headlights. Okay, so this is an '08 Impala, and passenger side low beam is out. So H11 is the low beams, H9 is the high beams. I'm not putting high beams in, but these are incredibly easy to change. So that guy holds that side, and there is a 7mm little bolt right there. So pull that bolt out, pull up on that guy, it comes out. Okay. And just wiggle it a little bit, and it comes out. So then, high beam, low beam. So you notice this cap that twists right off there. Right there's your headlight. So undo that little connector and pull it out. And you can see in there the filament is burned out. So when you're changing these, always wear gloves, or just really make sure you don't touch the glass. You touch the glass without gloves, you get your oil from your skin on the bulb and it will burn out pretty quick. So I'm going to go ahead and undo that package and put a new bulb in. Okay, so new bulb just goes in there, and there's certain ways that you put them in. There's little tabs on them. Let's see if I can get this one back out to cooperate. So you'll notice there's two small indents and a large indent. Same goes for this. So line them up and just spin it in. Connect that. Same with the cover. Cover back in there, and then there is a locating pin on these headlights right there, and it just goes right inside there. It's a little difficult to do one-handed. Okay, so I got it back in there. This guy goes right like that. You just push it down, put the screw in there, and tighten her down, and I'll be right back. So we got it tightened down. Super simple, guys. Takes less than 5 minutes to do this. You can do one side or both sides, or I'm just doing the one side for now. But go ahead, like, subscribe, comment, share us, show your love. Deuces.